Okay, we're in a 2004 Coachman 29 foot, which I believe is 32 feet total, with one super slide. The whole sofa, couch, sleeper comes out with the kitchen, stove, microwave, sink, oven, dinette that folds down into one person. Both chairs turn around. 57,000 miles. Just drove it 2 hours back home. AC's ice cold. Generator works. Everything's been updated to the new TVs. Seats don't even have any wear or any mold or any dogs or pets, or beautiful on the inside. Refrigerator's nice and clean on the inside. Plenty of room in the back. Nice bed. Shower right there. There's your sink. Queen size bed. Private bath or private toilet. Very nice. Kind of a Bahama feel in here. This is all original too. This hasn't been reupholstered or redone. This is an original coach. Okay.